I want to protect my young family in the event of an emergency. If you have a young family, thinking about the worst case scenario isn't just uncomfortable. It's something most parents actively avoid. But here's the truth. True peace of mind doesn't come from ignoring the risks. It comes from knowing that if you didn't come home tonight, there is a clear, logical, and legal roadmap already in place for your children. Today, we are tackling goal number 1, how to protect your young family in an emergency. In my practice, we build this protection using 4 critical pillars. Pillar number 1, immediate liquidity. The first line of defense isn't a legal document, it's cash. If an emergency strikes, your family needs immediate access to funds for mortgage payments, childcare, and groceries. This is where term life insurance is non-negotiable. It provides immediate liquidity, so your surviving spouse isn't forced to make massive financial life changes while they are grieving. Pillar number 2, the capacity shield. Most parents focus on death, but we must focus on incapacity. If you are in an accident and can't speak for yourself, who signs the mortgage checks? Who talks to your doctors? Every adult needs a power of attorney and a healthcare proxy. Without these, your spouse could be forced to sue you in guardianship court just to access your joint bank accounts or to make a medical decision. It's expensive, it's public, and it's entirely preventable. Pillar number 3, the 2-tier guardian system. Let's talk about your kids. Most parents think naming a guardian in a will is enough. It isn't. If something happens to you at 6 p.m. on a Friday and your permanent guardian lives 3 states away, the police cannot leave your children with a neighbor without legal authority. Your children could end up in protective custody for the weekend. That's why we use a 2-tier nomination. A local temporary guardian is a trusted neighbor or local friends who can step in instantly for the first 24 to 48 hours. A permanent guardian, this is the people who will raise your children long term. Pillar number 4, asset protection via a trust. Finally, we look at the money. If you own a home or have significant savings, a simple will might not be enough. If you pass away, joint accounts can sometimes freeze, and a will must go through a months-long court process called probate before your family gets a dime. We use a revocable living trust to ensure that your spouse and children have seamless private access to your home and your bank accounts without a judge getting involved. A special note for international families: if you are a foreign national or a non-US citizen living here, pay attention. The federal government only allows a tiny $60,000 estate tax exemption at death for non-citizens. To protect your kids' inheritance from aggressive federal taxes, we often implement an irrevocable life insurance trust, ILIT, to shield that wealth. When we sit down for your consultation, we'll look at these 4 pillars together. Bring your questions about guardians and bank accounts, and we'll build your custom safety net.